We're really excited today to have Essential Racing and Student Motorsport Challenge down with us for the full day with our motorsport engineers to deliver the parts and to deliver an activity day for our students to help prepare a car ready to race in the Kang City Car Cup Championship later this year. During the Level 3 Motorsport Engineering course, the students learn the theory and practicals behind building, maintaining and designing race cars. But with access to this championship, the students will get real hands-on, real-world experience in a live professional racing series, where they'll get to meet other students from other colleges, other professional motorsport teams, and hopefully make the contacts they need to get into industry in the future.
My name is John Paul Latham. I'm the founder of Student Motorsport. One of the main things that we do now is to run a championship for colleges that connect colleges across the UK and farther afield to participate in motorsport.
So over the past hour we've been building a roll cage and inspecting the differences in the car, as well as checking out the systems and anything that's changed between the race car and our car.
So the donor car is a Peugeot 107 and that was donated by Ron Skinners. So we'd like to say a big thank you to them, because without our sponsors and without them, then none of this would be possible.
Going forward, once the students have carried out today, it really kick-starts the challenge for them. They convert the road car into a racing car, so they go through a series of processes in terms of disassembly of the car and preparation in order to install a roll cage, and then complete the reassembly of the car into a racing car that you can see here. The challenge really is just to widen the gaze for students that motor racing is not just with respect a spanner and four wheels. It is a whole range of support departments, support industries that make that car get to the track. So this is treated like a business really. So it really does prepare the students, makes them more employable, and it prepares them for the workplace.
Well, I think it's a great opportunity for the students. It's a real practical championship. It's a great opportunity for them to get involved, build a race car and actually get to the circuit and compete. And of course you're competing against fellow colleges up and down the country. So I think we can't wait to see everybody get on circuit later in the year.
When I was looking at my prospects for college, I decided to choose here because it was a new place as well as being the most interesting course available. Especially an activity like this would help me if I put it on my CV or a cover letter to mention it to a motorsport company. Like if I wanted to work for an F1 team, I could be like, in college, I built a race car with my college, as well as completing a 2-year diploma in motorsport engineering.